And I want to give you a second video. This one is only 6 minutes long. Watch this one first. Okay, this is also a part of speech, how to use the pronunciations. Especially, it talks about how to how do you get the what do you call directions to some place. Okay, when somebody asks where is this place, how can I go there, how can I get there, then you give them directions. Go this way, go that way, take a left turn, turn on your right, stop at the junction, in the corner, at the corner, around the corner, so things like that. Things to describe how do you describe a direction? How do you give somebody a direction? Okay, so that's the video. And there's one more video, but I didn't want to give the video yet. It can load you. So I'll put the video links on the group, on the WhatsApp group as well. You can watch the videos. That's all for the content today. And for tomorrow, we will go on practicing the directions, how you can talk about the directions. I'll show a place on the map, and then I will ask you to give me directions, right? So you will have to look at the map, and you have to start from one place. You have to tell me, okay, go straight, take a left, go straight, take a right, stop. You have to say something like that. Okay, I'm going to give you this exercise tomorrow, and I think it will be good to get ready for it. Watch those two videos and you'll get some ideas, and then come back. Now it's time for feedback or any other comments. You only have 3 minutes, so please be quick.
Anna, can you can you please share this link in our WhatsApp group?
Yes, I'll share it right now. I'll share it right away. Any comments, any questions, anything?
I think today class is very interesting to me because I the time pass very fast. The time was passing.
Today class is good because you are start and end today class only speak in English. That is good way for uh, we are learn English. Uh, Today I understand. I think 75 percentage today you speak and learn and understand. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Today class understand to me because your teaching method very well.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyone else want to say anything?
Class interest to me because fixers see the fixers and talk about that. I improve the knowledge and my energy.
Improve the knowledge and your energy. So you think you think the class was very energetic. It
Yes.
gave you some boost.
Yes, the activity is boost.
Okay. It's nice to hear that. Thank you.
Last time you share the video WhatsApp group. I will
Last
see.
class.
Share the video.
Last class video. Then
Last day share the one video. It's mean e sound.
yes, I shared some short videos. Yes.
Oh yes, I see that.
You saw that. I see. I saw
I
that.
saw that.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just creating small videos and putting on YouTube just to make sure if somebody wants to learn a small thing, but it's an important thing, so I put it there. Might be useful to many people.
அது நான் நினைக்கிறேன் அந்த சவுண்ட் அண்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும் ஆனா நம்ம அந்த சவுண்ட் இல்லாம யூ என்று சொல்லி
Yeah, the words that start with E but they don't sound like E. Say for example, EUROPE.
யூரோப்.
Europe. It's not E or Aero. euro. It's euro. Something like that. Yes. Okay then. Thank you very much. See you all tomorrow at the same time. Remember to do the assignment.